Product title optimization might seem like a very simple guide or you might ignore it, but this is something that costs e-commerce store owners hell lot of money. And I have seen it a lot. I have seen many accounts where they are just wasting their budget on irrelevant keywords, but they are using performance max campaigns or automated campaigns. How did they actually sh- show their ads on irrelevant keywords? The reason is titles optimization. The reason is they have wrong titles, or maybe they have unclear titles. I have developed a strategy that you can use to optimize your titles, and it's super simple. It even have a prompt that you can use to quickly identify which titles are actually wrong. But let me tell you the benefits, or why do we have to do it. It's going to increase your click-through rate. Eventually it will lower the CPC value, and obviously more traffic, lower CPC, you'll be getting better conversion rates. And here it enhances the Google relevancy. It's gonna make it easier for Google to understand your product, and which will result in better keyword relevancy. You will not be wasting a lot of money on irrelevant keywords. And there's next point, it's clear product understanding, not just for Google but also for the people who are actually looking for your product. You might have heard about the feed optimization. This title optimization is the most important part of the feed optimization. Let me walk you through all the steps that you need to take. First of all, you need to just copy this prompt and add all of your titles and go to ChatGPT, just paste it. Just like here, I have pasted a lot of titles, and on the top I have pasted this prompt. If I come down, it's not just telling me the reasons of wrong titles, it's also telling me which titles are actually wrong. Just replace them. Here it's separately showing the identical titles, this because this identical titles is one of the biggest hurdle. It's gonna waste most of your budget. And here in the duplicate titles we have one more example, and here we have the example of how you can improve your title. And that's it. Now moving forwards, I have divided this into 4 phases. The first phase is understanding the product, understanding the title types and purpose. Let's go here. There are 2 titles. One title is actually that you see on page on the website, and another title that's actually appeared in feed that we are sending to Google Merchant Center. Both of them can be different. And on website usually we don't want to show very long title, so that is why I keep it concise, aesthetically pleasing. But for feed titles we can extend it, we can add more product details in it. For example, brand type, product type, model, size, color, material, key features, things like that, so that you give more information inside your title, so that Google understands your product in a better way. I have attached many red flags to avoid and pro tips. You just have to read it for once, and that's it. Basically, this first part, if you read this first part, you'll get the maximum information. All of the other parts are kind of like improving the strategy, taking the strategy to a next level. But the, all of your strategy comes from this first part. If you understand this, just one part, this feed title optimization part, you will be able to improve all of this. In the rest part, I have the strategy. How can you apply how can you devise a formula and then apply it on all of your titles. And then we have some highlighting unique value propositions. Here I might have attached a few examples so that you can understand it in a good way. But again, if you are going to if you are taking your title optimization to next level, then I would recommend you to go through the phase 2, 3 and 4. So that's pretty much it. If you're just watching this video, you don't want to read the whole document, just come down below and this last checklist, and go to the top, phase 1, just this one, that's it. But if you're willing to spend some time, just read through all of this document, all of this landing page. That's it. Take care. Bye.